Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create fantastic images using the Dreamina AI. Okay, this is powered by CapCut, but then you can have access to it and generate your images completely free of charge. Okay, so to start with, you can come all the way to your browser and just type in dreamina.capcut.com. okay, so it's going to give you this and it's going to bring over here, so you just have to follow through and log in with your account. Now you have the option to type in describe your data, but we're targeting image generation over here. Okay, so we are using AI image. The image model that I'm going to use is image 4.0, but you can try the 4.5 and so on. The aspect ratio, of course, if you are the paid version, you can use the 4K, but for now I'll keep it at 2K because it's free and you can develop something nice. So let's go with 16:9, or we can go with 1:1 depending on your choice, and everything keep that default. Now you can see over here, draw text on image if you have to add in text, but I don't want to have any text. So let's say I have these two prompts that I have just developed. So I'm going to select the first option, which is going to give me a prompt: create a cinematic ultra realistic image of a majestic lion relaxing on a tropical beach. I just developed this using the ChatGPT, our major friend, and then I'm going to paste in this and let's see what this is going to give me. So I'm just going to hit on enter and let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate for me. And the best part of this is that it's going to give you about 4 different images to choose from. So compared to other models, I find this exceptionally useful. So this same prompt that I gave it to it, I gave similar prompt to Google Gemini over here. So you can see the prompt, you can see the results it has given me, and I think this is very close. Although this one has some bread and some small chops by the side, and then even the color of the cup looks vibrantly close to each other. Look at the view, look at the stay, and look at the comfort in the sitting down. So you can download any of them. For example, you can download and make direct comparison. There's a way I do compare images in Gemini, which you can learn also to generate the comparison canvas. Okay, so let's say we download this and we download the other one as well, this one, so we can have a direct comparison of the two. Right, so let's say we have this comparison tool which we have just made with Gemini. I'll show you how to make it because it's the coding. I just ask it this question: compare two images while I select the canvas or feature from here. Okay, so once you select the canvas feature, canvas, and then you give it this prompt, compare pictures, it's going to give you write this code, this complete code, and it's going to bring you over to this preview. So you put in the first image and the second one, and we have this first image. This is the first image by Dreamina. Okay, so we just paste in, and then we have the second image, which is by Gemini. All right, this is wonderful. So what you need to do is now to try to see the two of them side by side, or slider. By slider means you can use the slider option over here. You can see the one with Dreamina and you can see this one with Gemini. Very similar images. Okay, if you want to do side by side, then you can have them like this. I think this is very much similar compared to each other. Take a look at the atmosphere, take a look at the sun behind each one of them, take a look at the cup of the coffee that they are taking. This is eye-catching and this is really something else. So this is actually how to generate the image with this, and maybe make a simple comparison with the images from Gemini. They are very much closely related, and I think this is something you can use for your content. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.